Before Dr. Siman, I've always had a history of headaches and migraines from the time I was very young. Probably out of 7 days a week, I would say at least 6 of those, I would wake up with a headache. Now that I've been in treatment with Dr. Siman, within just a few days, I was back to feeling very comfortable. But the best part of all was that I would wake up in the morning and not have that headache. It's life-changing. I mean, I really honestly can say it's life-changing for the better, and was worth everything.